How to use Expedia One Key Cash. Now, Expedia's One Key Cash is a loyalty reward system that allows travelers to earn and redeem cash-like credits on flights, hotels, rental cars, and more. Whether you've collected One Key Cash through bookings, promotions, or as part of the Expedia's reward program, knowing how to use it effectively can help you save money on future trips. In this guide, we'll break down on how you can earn, check, and redeem One Key Cash along with some tips to maximize your reward. And so before we head over into our tutorial, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now first things first, let's talk about on what is Expedia One Key Cash. Expedia One Key Cash is the reward currency within the One Key loyalty program, which is shared across Expedia, Hotels.com, and VRBO. Unlike traditional points, One Key Cash is equivalent to real money. Every $1 in One Key Cash equals to $1 off a future booking. Now the key benefits is you can earn One Key Cash on eligible bookings. You can redeem it for discounts on flights, hotels, and rental cars. There are no blackout dates or restrictions on how much you can go ahead and use. Now let's talk about on how we can earn Expedia One Key Cash. Now there are multiple ways to earn the One Key Cash when using Expedia. First things first, booking eligible travel. You can earn rewards when you book flights, hotel, car rentals, cruises, and vacation packages. There's also the Expedia One Key member tiers. The higher your membership tier, the more you earn. Now for our first one, we have blue, we then have silver, gold, and platinum. Now for the blue one, which has a 0 to 4 trip elements, you can save 10% or more with member prices on over 10,000 hotels worldwide. Now the rewards is you can earn and use One Key Cash on eligible bookings. And the perks for the blue membership is you can get free access to free price tracking for flights in the Expedia application. We also have silver right here. And to summarize, you can earn 2% back on the eligible bookings for silver. For gold, it's going to be 3% back. And lastly, for platinum, it's going to be 4% back. You can just navigate through the official page right here for the official details of the member tiered plans. Now we can also go ahead and earn One Key Cash from Expedia promotions and bonuses. Occasionally, Expedia runs bonus promotions that let you earn extra One Key Cash. We can also earn by using Expedia credit cards. If you have an Expedia Reward Visa card, you may earn bonus One Key Cash when booking through Expedia. And lastly, you can earn by leaving review on bookings. Sometimes Expedia offers One Key Cash as an incentive for reviewing your past stays. Now, how can we check our One Key Cash balance? To check our One Key Cash balance, we have to log in into the Expedia account right here. You want to visit expedia.com and sign into your account. Right after that, we can just navigate through the One Key section. You can just click on your profile icon, then select One Key to view your reward dashboard. From there, you will be able to check your earned One Key Cash. Your total One Key Cash balance will be displayed here along with any upcoming bonuses. So to summarize, you just have to sign in your account, click on your profile icon, and navigate through the One Key Cash section. And now, how can you simply redeem One Key Cash for travel? Now, using One Key Cash is simple. You can just go ahead and apply it directly at the checkout when booking through Expedia. Now, the steps to redeem is to simply search for your desired travel option. You can just go ahead and choose hotels, flights, or rental cars on the Expedia application or website right here. Right after that, we can now go ahead and assign the pickup place. You can then choose some drop-off dates, pickup time, and drop-off time. From here, we can then go ahead and choose a rental. Once again, it could be any one of these rentals right here, which is the hotel room night, vacation rental night, flight ticket, car rental day, cruise cabin night, and activity ticket. So inside this page right here, we will be able to simply apply for the One Key Cash option. Now, before paying, you want to make sure that you apply your One Key Cash on your account right here. Now with this one, as you can see, I have the option to earn 1 key cash on your car rental when you log in and book. From there, we then have to review and confirm our booking. The total price will be updated with the discount that applies. You can then complete your booking and enjoy your savings. Now, where can you go ahead and use the one-time key cash? Now you can simply redeem 1 key cash on a variety of travel services. Once again, including hotel, flights, car rentals, vacation packages, activities, and experience. Now for hotels, it applies to most Pay Now hotel bookings. For flights, it can be used on select airline tickets. Now for car rentals, it's available for prepaid rentals booked through Expedia. For vacation packages, you can use rewards to reduce the package cost. And lastly, for activities, you can go ahead and get a discount on tours, theme parks, and more. Now take note that 1 key cash cannot be redeemed for VRBO bookings, taxes and fees, or third-party insurance plans. Right after, let's go ahead and delve further into the Expedia One Key tiers and perks. Now Expedia One Key loyalty program includes different membership tiers once more. Now for Blue, the annual spending requirement is going to be $0 to $2,000. And additional perks include basic membership discounts. For Silver, the annual spending requirement is going to be $2,000 to $5,000 with priority customer support. For Gold, it's going to be $5,000 to $10,000, free upgrades on selected hotels. And lastly, for Platinum, it's going to be $10,000 plus with highest tiered perks and free amenities. Now some tips to maximize your 1 key cash. You want to book hotels instead of flights. You want to look for 1 key VIP properties. You want to use 1 key cash before it expires. You want to combine with Expedia credit cards. You also want to stack discounts. Now, Expedia's 1 key cash is a fantastic way to save money on travel by earning cash rewards on bookings and using them for discounts. Whether you're booking flights, hotels, or rental cars, taking advantage of 1 key tier promotional offers and smart redemptions can simply help you maximize your rewards. You want to keep an eye out on your account balance, book with eligible properties, and plan ahead to make the most out of your Expedia One Key Cash. If this video has been helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for similar videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.